Interior designer, carpenter, and general contractor David Sheinkopf is here today to share some amazing easy home renovations and tips. Hi, David.
Upgrading your kitchen and laundry appliances can make a huge difference on your home remodeling project. Luckily, May is Maytag month. Now through May 31st, you can save up to 30% on select Maytag appliances. Plus, if you buy 3 appliances, you'll receive an additional $200 prepaid card via mail-in rebate or instant rebate. Visit Maytag.com for full promo details. Consider the Maytag Performance lineup, which includes a large capacity cooling fridge, a range that simmers and sears with precision, a microwave that handles splatters and spills, and a dishwasher with serious cleaning strength, all backed by a 10-year limited part warranty. If your home has pets, check out the Maytag Pet Pro washer and dryer, named Best Top-Load Washer for Pet Owners by Review.com. The Pet Pro filter in the washer removes 5 times more pet hair, all available on Maytag.com and at participating Maytag brand retailers. For more info, go to Maytag.com/May.
Thanks, David.